really calm. Like, don't let your throat tense up. Try to swallow it as soon as
try
you
not to like don't laugh or something because you might like inhale it.
Yeah, like don't breathe in. You want to take a big breath, and you don't want to breathe either way until you swallow. I forgot to tell you that. Darn it! Because if you have to breathe, because I forgot to breathe, and so the minute I got in there, I breathed and it went down my throat, and then I got scared.
This is so great. Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Get down,
Okay.
get down, get down.
All right, what are you doing, Albert?
Going to do the cinnamon challenge. Dun dun dun.
Okay. Sitting back. Now don't laugh because it'll go everywhere.
Come on, then you can be among the ranks of the
mighty
idiots, I guess.
Oh no. Swallow. Be calm and swallow.
He's got it.
Oh,
He's
no,
got it.
He's
got
got a
the fire
bad
in his
gag
eyes.
reflex.
Oh.
It's horrible, isn't it? I was just thinking.
I don't even know.